And Prime Minister Modi, he met the chess Olympiad champions. He, in fact, felicitated the champions after interacting with them. Remember, it's a rare double gold at the chess Olympiad. Both men's and the women's team won gold in their events. They, in fact, met the Prime Minister later at his residence, where the Prime Minister hailed the chess warriors during this particular meet. India had scripted history at the chess Olympiad.
इस बारी 180 कंट्रीज़ पार्टिसिपेट करी थी, बल्कि जब चेन्नई में ओलंपियाड हुआ था हम बोथ इंडिया टीम हम ब्रॉन्ज जीते थे। वुमेन टीम का लास्ट मैच यूएसए से हुआ था जो हम हार गए थे और हमारे हाथ से गोल्ड चला गया था उस टाइम। तो हम फिर से उनके साथ इस बार खेले। फिर इस बार हम बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड थे कि इस बार इंडिया को गोल्ड लाना ही है,
इसको हराना है,
इनको हराना ही है। वो मैच फाइनली बहुत क्लोज था और ड्रॉ में फिनिश हुआ, बट वी वेंट ऑन टू विन द गोल्ड सर। पर हम इस बारी अपनी कंट्री के लिए जीत कर ही वापस आने वाले थे।
अच्छा, आपने कभी ये सोचा है कि कभी एआई का उपयोग करके आप लोग अपनी गेम को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं या दूसरे की गेम को समझ सके?
Yes, sir. With AI, the chess has evolved. There has been new technology, and the computers have become much stronger now. And it is showing a lot of new ideas in chess, and we are still learning from it. And I think there is a lot to learn from it.
मैं ये इतना समझता हूँ कि कोई देश विकसित बनता है तो सिर्फ खजाने से नहीं बनता है कि उसके पास कितने पैसे हैं, कितने उद्योग हैं, जीडीपी कितना, इतने से नहीं बनता है। हर फील्ड में वो दुनिया में महारत होनी चाहिए। अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है तो मैक्सिमम ऑस्कार हमारे यहाँ कैसे आते हैं, अगर साइंटिस्ट हैं या और किसी फील्ड में तो मैक्सिमम नोबेल हमारे पास कैसे आते हैं, वैसे ही खेल में भी मैक्सिमम गोल्ड हमारे बच्चे कैसे लाएं। ये जब होता है इतने सारे वर्टिकल, तब देश महान बनता है।
So I'm joined by Harika here. She is the woman of the hour at this point. Congratulations on winning the gold. This is a double gold at this point in the 45th Chess Olympiad. What are the feelings when this medal was hung around your neck?
It's been like 20 years, as I told many times already, and I just couldn't sink. I think still it didn't sink in completely. I couldn't rest. I couldn't understand anything what happened. But yes, but I do know that I believed that this moment would come since childhood. That why it won't happen and that I'll make it happen. This has been always my mental state, and I'm glad that it came when I least expected. So I would say that way.
Great feeling. We have a very young team, young and ambitious team. We were ambitious from the start to finish, and we had a crushing start, and we scored like 10.5 out of 11, and the second team scored like 8.5 out of 11, so that just showed dominance. And also the women's team did very well, and I also secured my individual gold, so I'm super happy.
I think it's a moment that I'm never going to forget because it's a moment that I dreamt and imagined 16 years ago when I played my very first Chess Olympic in Dresden. And finally the moment became a reality in Budapest. So I was just taking it all in, and again, I feel that the way it happened, having the men team and the women team win it together, win the first gold for India together, I could not have imagined it better.
23 years of age, Vaishali, you're so young right now, and already you have a gold in your career. What's in plan for you next?
Yeah, to increase my rating and improve my rankings, that's my goal. And I'll be traveling to London in a few days for a global chess league. Yeah, that's the goal.
I'm very happy that we could win gold medal, and also women team won the gold medal. It's a historic moment, first time ever it has happened, and 189 countries were part of this, and they sent all their best players, and in that we showed that India is #1. So cannot be more happy than this.
Yeah, it's very happy feeling because this is the first time we are winning gold in Chess Olympiad, and we managed to do it in both sections. So it's a very special feeling.
Your sister is also chess master, so I'm practically speaking to the sibling duo here. How does it feel like, what is it like at home for the both of you chess masters?
Yeah, we discuss a lot of chess, and it helps both of us. And apart from that, we do have like our regular sibling fights and argument and so on.